Introducing the 2021 Volkswagen T-roc Sport 2.0 TDI M6F 150 HP, a powerhouse on wheels. With a 2.0-liter engine, manual transmission, and top-notch safety features like ABS, lane departure warning, and collision avoidance braking, this vehicle ensures a smooth and secure ride. Enjoy luxury comforts such as air conditioning, Bluetooth phone, and ambient lighting. The chrome package, privacy glass, and roof rails add a touch of style and security. Rest assured, with a full health and safety check, manufacturer-specified servicing, and comprehensive warranty, contact us or visit blackwatermotors.ie for more details on this exceptional vehicle today.